Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Right now in this video I wanted to show you how you can make a very nice introduction of your videos, which acts as an introduction with nice animations. So let's get started. Go to your browser, maybe Chrome. Find for this link here, you can click through. It's canva.com/video editor. So we'll use this site to say that I will create the best and viral video introduction. You can write where you see the templates and write YouTube intro. They'll bring for you certain templates that you can use, whereby we will use these templates and edit them so that I will get and choose our own template that we can use. So for now I've chosen this one, and I would like to use this one to see that I can get a very nice YouTube introduction. So if I'm to edit, I'll remove these existing ones, and I put my editing. It's a fishing channel. Welcome. I'm trying to edit to see that I get a nice design. So for that case, I can type welcome the fishing channel. Let's go. You can put any design you want. This will be it's just like an example. You can put any design you want, and the design will look very nice. So you can also add whatever you want. You can copy. You can press Alt and then you copy a certain word in case you want to get another word from that. So here what we can do is to export. The format should be MP4, and then we export. So the video will be saved within the downloads, so you can go and check. After that you'll be fine to go, and then start using that in your introduction in your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. I wish to see you in the next video.